Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from Beanie. So I won't take any longer. This is Beanie Moments Make You Smile or Cry. I think this is their soft, something like soft era, should I say? So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. So without further ado, let's start this video. Bakit ako naging English?
Na hindi tayo lunch. Huwag yung tanggapin sa sarili niyo na hindi tayo malalunch. Na iba na lang yung turn natin. Kasi ito yung pinaghirapan natin, di ba?
Ay,
Diba?
that they won't be lunch.
More effort, guys. Diba? More practice.
Kasi naman, pagod na sila siguro dito, di ba? This is our dream. Gabi si...
Nag-sink in din
Parang
sa
depressed na dito si
may
Maloy.
May chance po na hindi pa kami ma-launch lahat.
I'm not like this. They are talking.
Kasi ano po parang pinaghirapan talaga namin.
Ay, dito na naiyak ako dito na napanood ko to actually.
Okay lang yan.
Grabe to, namumula na yung ilong niya, oh.
Lahat ng taon, lahat ng sakripisyo namin na nakita
Grabe.
namin yung fruit of our
Labor.
labor po.
Oo.
Actually, thank you so much, Blooms.
True.
Kagabi po,
Ay.
tinanong namin si Ate Man, sabi namin, Ate
Alam
Man,
nyo, I have to be honest with you, ang laki talaga ng diferensya ng Beanie ngayon, yung support sa Beanie before and Beanie ngayon. Siyempre, nag 1 million na nga sila, di ba? Nag millions na sila, subscribers nila sa YouTube and everything. So, meaning to say, dumami talaga ang Blooms. That is an indication na dumami talaga ang Blooms.
sa tingin niyo po ba, kasi natatakot kami na baka biglang nangyari, baka bigla ring mawala. So parang sabi namin, Ate Man, biglaan ba siyang nangyari? Pero sila mismo nagsasabi na hindi, girls deserve
Unti-unti
ito. So parang, yun, sana lang hindi siya mawala agad. So kami, kahit medyo walang pahinga, hanggat merong pumapasok na blessings, talagang tanggap lang kami ng tanggap. Kasi hindi naman to panghabang buhay. Hindi naman, next week hindi natin alam anong pwedeng mangyari. So, lahat ng blessings, tanggap lang ng tanggap. Kahit walang
True Jen. True Jen.
Nag-outreach program kayo. Ito yung gusto kong gawin eh.
Ay, gusto niya mag-outreach? Community service.
Blooms, the best fandom. We may not be the biggest fandom.
Yeah! Alam mo, naalala ko to. Uy, naiyak ako. Every time na gumagawa ako ng reaction video between BGYO and Beanie, sabi ko talaga, maliit man ang fandom ng Beanie, pero, and BGYO, pero solid. Sinasabi ko talaga to. Kasi before talaga, pag gumagawa ako ng content, BGYO, Beanie, yan yung pinaka-least talaga na mga views na gumagawa ako ng reaction video. Pero hindi pa din naman ako tumitigil kasi I do believe in them.
I love you guys.
You know, guys,
One fan is enough.
basta solid lang.
Paano ba kaya kung madami kayo?
What more?
65 man or...
We show
sa
you the
buong
way.
mundo, Lord, sa buong NFPN, i-bless niyo po ang bawat isa na nandito, i-bless niyo po yung mga tao behind the success
Grabe siya
of
mag-pray,
this concert,
oh.
Lord. I pray na i-bless niyo po yung mga taong tumulong sa amin.
Grabe siya mag-pray.
Lord, I pray na maging okay po ang lahat ng na-rehearse namin.
Grabe
Lord.
siya mag-pray.
Sabi namin, nahihirapan dito, ay marami po
Ramdam na, oh my God, luluha ako, sorry.
Lord, na concerts po, i-bless niyo po yung concert na to. I pray for a successful concert, Lord.
Uy, no, yung balahibo ko siya sa pag-pray niya. Naiyak ako.
Thank you, Lord!
Oh my God.
I hope before you end your day or your
May
night,
sipon na nga ako, nagpapaiyak pa. Diyos ko, day.
I hope everybody gets sleep without a heavy heart. You know why? Because if you sleep peacefully, the morning after, you're gonna wake up with peace and with a happy day. Because, you know, I strongly believe na it matters a lot how you end your day.
True.
Even if they say na it's a brand new day, but wala, because like it's like a connection.
Exactly. Sino yan? Sheena and her...
Ano mag-vlog? Salita ka lang.
She say something. Ay.
Love you, miss you so much. Hala, ba't nakapaa?
Bini with the kids. Give me still have a... Uy, naiyak ako doon kanina sa pag-thank you Lord at pag-pray ni Stacy. Nakakaiyak!
May pagkain kami.
Outreach! Ito yung nag-outreach ang Bini na hindi kasama si Mika, right?
Ayos kayo, hindi kayo mga artista. Ang gwapo yung dalawa.
Ay, talaga?
Bini promote.
Ay, maganda ka.
Hindi daw siya gwapo, maganda daw.
Oh, maganda siya.
Basta mabuti ka.
No, as your kind. I love that. Whatever your gender preference, as long as you're kind. Oh my God! Tinamaan ako doon. Watching Sheena and cheering of her performance. Sheena lang. Ay, support talaga.
Thank you sa girls. Thank you, girls. Hi, Bini.
Ay, si Aya. Bongga to si Aya. Ay, gabi. Grabe si Aya. Sexy. Saan to? Support talaga sila, no? Ito yung hindi sila pinayagang lumabas, pero nag-support sila kay Mika, tama? Ay! Ay! Parang behind the bardagulan and whatnot. Parang gabi pala ang sweetness din nila, no? Mika was injured, still watched the performance. Ay, naiyak siya. Okay. Bali, isip feeling na.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm just so happy na survive ko nung 3-day concert.
Kasi may sakit siya na... Yeah.
Nag-enjoy
She was
kayo.
sick that time.
Napakita ko pa rin yung best ko sa inyo.
Ilalaan talaga nila yung time nila, yung effort nila. So, doon namin masasabi na iba talaga yung magmahal din yung sa inyo. So, iba din kami magmahal sa inyo.
No, nice. Weakness po kasi namin si
Uy, I watched that! Grabe. I watched that. Together with Karen Davila. Grabe yun. Aya surprise. Ay, tapos na? Walang bonus? Aya's Hope for Edits. Anong ibig sabihin ng Hope for? Yung mga edits ni Aya? Okay. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our Bini moments to make you smile or cry. Nag-cry ako, actually. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!